I'm here at my brother's today. You guys, I've got an issue with my 2012 Chevy 2500 HD. It's a gasser. This key part, you guys, the tumbler would not, it doesn't turn. I gotta like play with it, you know. There you go. See, wow, seems to be easier now. But yeah, see that? It just won't turn one time. You gotta like play with it. I thought it was the key, but it's not the key. Whoa, that's not good. You can actually bring that out. So we're gonna replace the tumbler on this. So hopefully it is just the tumbler. So I actually bought the tumbler right here. As you can see, guys, what it came with is, it didn't come with the key, but came with instructions, and then it's got like these blades, so you don't have to use a new key, you know. So right here, there's the tumbler itself, and I'm hoping it's just the tumbler. So my brother's gonna help me put this in. I'm paying him to do it. He's like my go-to mechanic. So yeah, it's my other brother, not the one that used to work for me. So all right, guys, let's get started. Guys, I've had this 2012 for like 5 years, 6 years. I bought it when it had like, I think 30,000, maybe 30,000 miles, and I paid roughly 35,000 or maybe close to 40,000 for this truck. This was my very first Chevy 2500 HD. This is a gasser. It's still in very great condition. You can see the only part that's real bad is on these fenders. This one isn't so bad, the rust issue. You can see it's a little bubble coming up, but on this side it's really bad. Right here on this fender, you can see. Eventually I might either get a new bed or make that a flat bed. I'm not sure yet, but I think it's got roughly 140 some thousand miles on this, so it's still a nice clean truck. No issues, no engine issues or mechanical issues besides that ignition. These rims came off my 2019 Chevy 2500 HD, and so I decided to put those on here. Looks pretty good. So alright, I got this popped out, that cover. Now we're going to pop out the steering wheel bottom and top cover. I actually pulled out the That's crazy. That one's easier than the video. There's like a little pin that he sticks in there. A pick. Turn it to the start position. Yeah, it's on there. Oh, you gotta push it to the start. There it goes. Oh, sweet. Wow. This is, you think it's that's bad, hopefully? Yeah. It's this. Alright guys, so we've been trying to figure out how to get these blades out of the original, so I think we got it. So this is the top part. We're gonna pull this one out. So this first one. So you push it from the back. Blade. Yeah, but I got that one out. There it is. Okay, so you just pry down on the... So this one is... It just comes out, huh? Yeah, it just comes out. What number is that one? Does it even say a number? Oh my god, dude, it's so stripped. There's no number on it because it's gone. Wow. Oh, 4. Never mind, 4.
Oh, jeez.
So, yeah, we need a pen, dude.
Right here. Alright guys, here's the old, oh jeez. Here's the old tumbler. As you can see, we took this out already, but see how it's like spaced? There's 3 more here. Well, we popped out the opposite side right here. Stick your pin in, it pops out, and it should come out.
This is what I was lifting on. Was the back end of the small one here. I had to go underneath it a little bit right here because it catches on the back right there.
And just pop it.
And just pop that up, and then it went forward.
Yeah. Okay.
So that is,
We've
so
been
we're
struggling.
1, 2, 3, 4 on one side, and 1, 2, 3 on the other side to go in. So if you're looking at this, I'm considering this the right side. So right, and looking, this one's the left. And first one is number 4. The first one popped out. So I'm gonna pop out the second one here to see what number that is. It'd be right here. Let me see here. I forget which one. Oh, it's got the lip on this side, so I gotta catch it. I gotta catch it right there. Jeez, kind of need a. There it goes. So let's see what number this is. 3. Is that 3?
Wow.
Looks like a 3, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's a 3.
So this one's 3. We gotta put the spring in there first. Where's the springs?
Right here's the springs.
Man, that's a lot of gunk in there.
I know.
Wrong one. So it's the right side, this one.
How you know how? Oh, spring just goes in like that?
Yeah, it just slides in, then when you shove that one in.
Okay.
And then we need a 4.
There's the 4.
This is a universal kit for all the,
Mm-hmm.
because it's got so many. First, where's the springs?
Right here's the springs.
One. So it's the right side, this one.
How you know how? Oh, spring just goes in like that?
Yeah, it just slides in, then when you shove that one in.
Okay.
And then we need a 4.
I know. Remember how it goes in?
It's there, so it goes this way. Then it should
spring hits.
low when you get in. It just
locks right
locks right in.
Nice. Wow. Just pops right in.
We got.
Alright, let's show them how it actually, like which your number facing it.
Well, you can tell when you're putting these in. This catches the spring right here, this edge.
Yeah.
So when you're putting it in, it has to be right on top of the spring. See that?
Okay, yeah, right on top.
Because that's where it catches the spring,
And
and
once
then
you push it in,
once
it
you
locks
push it in, then this little lip on this other side locks on the other side. That's what I had to push down on to remove it from the original one.
Okay.
So that side's good. Now we go to this side.
Grease.
Now we're gonna put grease on it.
It goes on that.
Goes on this whole thing. It twists in there.
Has to be in, and there's a keyway. And line it up to that one.
And
It should just go right there. Goes right
And then
in.
it locks. Yep, it's already locked.
It's locked. See if you turn it. Nice.
Yep.
There you go. Right
Okay,
there.
let's just connect the I'll put the battery back on and make sure
Okay, it turns on.
before we do anything else.
Alright guys, back here. Battery's on. Battery's connected. I'm gonna try it out. There's the key.
Everything should be alright still.
It should just turn right on. Sweet. Simplest things.
Okay. Now I gotta put everything back.
Yeah, that's good.
Wow. There you go, guys. I'll put everything back. Should be good to go. And there you have it for this video. So leave a comment down below. Let us know how we did. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.